chemical process in which organisms assimilate food and fluids necessary for operation, growth and maintenance of vital function. There are 6 classes of nutrients the body needs: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and water. It is important to consume their daily 6 nutrients to build and maintain healthy the body functions. Poor health can be caused by an imbalance of nutrients, whether by excess or deficiency. Good nutrition is a balanced enough diet combined with regular exercise. Carbohydrates are sugars that provide the body with energy. Your body can break carbohydrates down quickly and efficiently. Carbohydrates are found in breads, pastas, candy, sodas, wines, beer and fruits. Proteins are the primary component of numerous body tissues and also make up the outer layers of hair, nails and skin. Proteins are found in eggs, milk, meat, apricots, avocados, bananas, cherries, figs, nuts, beans and grapes. The word lipid refers to both fats and oils. Lipids' main function is as energy source and as cushion for the organs. Lipids are found in olive oil, maize oil, margarine, butter and meat.
In digestion, food is changed by the organs into a soluble form to be absorbed by the body. Food in the mouth is mixed with saliva. Saliva begins to dissolve the food as the teeth grind and cut it. Food is forced back into the throat, pharynx, by the tongue. Food in the pharynx stimulates the swallowing reflex. The larynx is pulled upward to meet the epiglottis and seal off the trachea. Food goes from the pharynx to the esophagus. Food moves down the esophagus by peristalsis. The peristaltic wave reaches the esophageal sphincter and food enters the stomach. The unique muscular structure of the stomach breaks up the food into small pieces called chyme. Chyme exits through the pyloric sphincter into the duodenum of the small intestine. The major portion of absorption and digestion occurs in the small intestine. The mucosa secrete enzymes that supplement the digestive enzymes of the pancreas and liver. This completes the chemical process of digestion.
You need to have a healthy body. Learning to eat nutritious in a way is not hard. The key is to eat a variety of foods, including vegetables, fruits and whole grain products. You need to eat meats, poultry, fish, beans and low-fat dairy products and including an abundant amount of water. Go easy on the salt, sugar, alcohol, saturated fats and trans fats. Saturated fats are usually fats that come from animals' meat. It is very important to eat a balanced diet like it show the Equal Plate, because it contains all the necessary amount of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals that your body needs to be healthy. Malnutrition is the condition that occurs when a person's body is not getting enough nutrients. The condition may result from an inadequate or unbalanced diet, digestive difficulties, absorption problems, or other medical conditions. In some cases it may be so severe that the damage done is irreversible, even though the individual survives. Obesity is a medical condition in which excess body fat has accumulated to the extent that it may have an adverse effect on health, leading to reduced life expectancy and increased health problems. In severe cases, surgery is performed or an intragastric balloon is placed to reduce stomach volume. A person is considered obese when his or her weight is 20% or more above normal weight. People with anorexia have a real fear of weight gain and a distorted view of their body size and shape. As a result, they can maintain a normal body weight. Many teens with anorexia restrict their food intake by dieting, fasting, or excessive exercise. They hardly eat at all, and the small amount of food they do eat becomes an obsession.
Anorexia. The saddest part is those who have it don't see it. Help them find help.
With bulimia, someone eat to excess and then try to compensate in extreme ways, such as forced vomiting or excessive exercise, to prevent weight gain. Over time, these steps can be dangerous. They can also lead to compulsive behaviors that are hard to stop. In the movie Food Inc., we'll show how to produce the food you eat, We advised you to see this movie because it's important for you to know what you are eating and the conditions of the products that you are buying. First segment of the film shows the industrial production of meat like chicken, beef and pork. It is not sustainable and it is bad for environment. The second segment shows the industrial production of cereals and vegetables like corn and beans, again labeling as economically and environmentally not sustainable. The third segment of the film is about the legal and economic power and the food libel laws of the biggest food companies, the profits of which are based on the supply of cheap food, but contaminated, the intensive use of oil, based on chemicals, and the promotion of unhealthy food that feeds public. American companies like Walmart chose the transition to organic foods. The industry is booming in the recent health movement.